How are you, beautiful people? It's nighttime, and I've been waiting for this video. I've been dying to do it today. I'm finally here to show you how I style my curls, or what to do if it's nighttime and I've had a shower and tomorrow morning I don't have time. And ideally I want to wake up with my hair done with as little work as possible because I have to leave quickly. This is the video that will give you the answer. This is it, beautiful people, because we've already mastered it here. What do you think if before we start, you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos? Hello, beautiful people. How are you? How are you doing? The people with the most beautiful and spectacular hair, curly, straight, wavy, short, long, men, women, the most beautiful and coolest people on YouTube. How are you doing? I am very excited today. Well, I didn't shower because the truth is that I showered in the morning. I only washed my hair. I didn't have a very cool hairstyle that, by the way, I shared it on Instagram for graduations, and I said I am going to take advantage and I am going to record that video that I want to share so much because I know that many of you are going to use it and you need it. You have to bathe at night and you don't have much time to style in the morning. What do? Well, you bathe at night and put your conditioner, you wash, put conditioner, rinse everything as usual, and you're going to style the same as usual. Is really working for me since it's raining here in beautiful Mexico City. The infallible anti-humidity routine I shared in another video, so I put a little bit of Cativa. Then I put a little bit of Smoothie Curl Enhancer from Shea Moisture brand. A little bit on each side. I'm going to put a little bit more so that it will hold. We start at the ends, okay? Never start at the roots. That is to say, the idea is that the product stays more on the bottom and not in the part of the other half. This is something that is working very well for me. But just a little bit. We will not mistreat the hair either, just a little bit so that it will be smooth and even. And we are going to divide by sections. I'm going to run the brush through because I want it to be more defined. But if you like it more voluminous and not so defined, then here you would run your fingers through all your hair with your head down and lots of scrunching, okay? Remember that if it doesn't scrunch, is that it doesn't have the ideal level, so I put a little bit of water in it. I'm going to run my little contour brush through it, like this. You have to make sure that it is well untangled. Like this. Throughout the whole mane. And once we pass the brush strand by strand, if we have passed it, we are going to scrunch. Look at the sound. Listen to the sound. Head down. We're going to put a really good amount of gel. Then I'm going to turn my head like this. You see it's a very good amount of gel. I caress. And we go back to scrunching. And we don't want it to unravel while we sleep, so we'll use a fixative mousse. You know this is my trusted mousse. Marc Anthony brand, look how thick it is. That all the hair has a really good hold, okay? And as lately we are in love with the mousse gel, we are going to put another layer of gel. This time we do not use so much. On the other side, we lift the roots. Now, I place it here in the mirror as I want it. Do the same for you too. Okay, now that it is the way you want it and you have checked that there is no strand out of place, let's do plopping with my plopping fabric. This side is cotton, this side is microfiber, but I want it to absorb moisture, so let me put it on and I'll be right back. You're already telling me, oh, and how to do plopping. Here I put this reel showing you how to do plopping. It is very, 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 very easy. We want it to be very tight. We are going to leave him for 20 to 30 minutes, so I'll be right back. I'm going to have dinner, I'm going to give Lorenzo a bath, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been half an hour. Then I remove the plopping. And with the cotton side, I still remove the excess water. This is called micro plopping. Many people ask me, hey, but when you do that, don't you remove the product? No, the hair has already absorbed it. Remember that if you are high porosity, put a little oil, okay, to seal. Okay, there we are. And I'm still going to put another layer of gel, of course. Caress. Gently another layer of gel here. So here you have two options. You go to sleep late, now it is 8 o'clock at night. Well, you wait for your hair to dry, and if it is still a little wet before you go to sleep, you dry it with the diffuser for 10 minutes. But be careful, just caressing it. Trying not to do this too much, but just pass the diffuser. Now I will show you how. The purpose is to form a hard layer or cast. Option 2, which is what I'm going to do. I'm not a late sleeper. I wake up super early and I want to show you how to use the diffuser just like this, but trying to keep the cast. Then let me leave it dry and come back. Look, here's how it's done. We have little light because I had to turn off the ring light because there was only one contact and I had trouble bringing the extension. It's too late, but this way, caressing, okay? I caress, I do not break the cast. This way. It's already dried up, beautiful people. It has its cast, that's why it looks like this. Then, meet my best friend when I sleep, silk hat. Then I pull the hair forward. I stretch the beanie. Like this. And here's a little trick, because many of you write to me saying that you wake up without a hat. Don't put it on here. Cover the ears, which is also nice because it kind of blocks out the noise, and we will leave it there. I will come tomorrow morning and show you. Beautiful people, it is already daylight. Let me turn on the light so we can see. Good morning, beautiful people, how are you? So the beanie stayed on. Our little hair stayed in there, so let's shake it out. We accommodate it, look, and that still does not wake up well. You put your little fingers like this. It's going to get a little more voluminous. I'm not going to break the cast because I'm telling you it was wet. But look at this definition. I think that more than 3 years ago, even at the beginning of the curly method, I would never have imagined that I could take a bath at night, style my hair, and wake up with my hair done like this. No, this is crazy, beautiful people. For example, here it was just a little bit white from the gel. We caress. I hope with all my heart that this video works for you, that this video makes your life easier, that it takes away the anguish of, I have to take a bath at night, but I would like to wash my hair. But I want to go out with my hair done. But I don't know what to do. I'll have to wake up at 4 in the morning. Oh no. I'm going to have to sleep very late. I really hope this video makes this story end. I hope it works for you. Please write me down here if it worked for you. If you have an additional trick, send me your photo to Instagram so I can share it and we can continue motivating more people to make their lives easier and take care of their hair. Thank you very much. Have a very nice day, very nice afternoon, or very nice night. Whenever you are watching this video, I want you to know that I do it with lots of love and I send you many kisses. And that just as you are special, you are unique, and now I am leaving. I am going to start my day happy to have shared this with you. Everything I use is from our little store, latienditadelumina.com.